Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix incompatible software has prevented Roblox from running. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up our computer search and just search for Roblox. Find your Roblox player, right-click on it, and then open File Location. Here we will find your Roblox player here again. And we want to right-click and open File Location. Now what we're going to do is first click on the bar here. And we want to right-click and copy this address. Now right-click on Roblox Player Beta. Click on Show More Options and go to Properties. And here we will go into the Compatibility Mode tab and select this. Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and we will change this to Windows 7. Then disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK and repeat the same process for the Roblox Player Launcher as well. Compatibility from this program in Compatibility Mode for Windows 7. Run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Click on Apply, click on OK. And the next thing that we need to do is open up the computer, search yet again, and search for Firewall. And you want to open up the Windows Firewall. Here we will go to Allow an app through Firewall. Here, find and select Allow another app and we'll click on Browse. And then we'll paste the path that we copied right here. Press Enter, find the Roblox Player Beta and open, and we will add this. Now as you can see, we've added Roblox as an exception, and this should fix your issue. So that's basically how you can fix incompatible software has prevented Roblox from running. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.